All right, welcome to a special edition of Jeep Peep. We got the real farm boys from Ohio. My grandpa's in, my nephew's in, and we're gonna tear into this AMC, American Motor Company 304 V8. First time for a couple of us. All right, valve cover, come off. Ooh, how's stuff looking there? Nothing too crazy there.
Okay, now.
Update on Jeep Peep. Landon, who's been demoted to parts washing, has got his side apart. Now Kian is about to take the valve cover off of his side. Let's see what you got in there, Kian. How's it look?
What do we do with this?
Update on Jeep Peep. We've got this engine partially torn down. So we've got the intake manifold off, we've got the valve cover off, we've got the valve train pulled out, the head bolts are loose, and they're just about to come off. All right, the boys have got their respective sides apart. Grandpa's been educating us along the way. Just got the valve cover off and all of the timing cover pieces off. Looks like it's a little sloppy in here, but making progress. All right, into the crankcase. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with arrows pointing towards the front. Number 1, number 2, number 3,